Hey everybody, it is Jennifer Auer from Jersey Family Fun here with our latest unboxing video for you. It is unlike anything that we've shown you before, but it's something that I think you're going to love more than anything else. So I am happy to say that we are partnering with Perdue Farms on something that is going to be very relevant and something that I think is particularly going to resonate with us families in New Jersey. We are New Jersey and we are the Garden State. Whenever possible, we like to support our small farmers. We like to buy farm fresh food, whether that's roadside markets, pick your own farms, or CSA farms where you can go in for your weekly pickups. We love it. Whenever you have that opportunity to put something fresh on the table for your kids, get them involved in the process of picking out food and showing them how it's grown, it's just fabulous. And Perdue Farms has felt the same way. For about 100 years, they have supported family farmers across the country, especially in our region, helping them raise animals ethically in ways that we all could support and believe in order for us to get a quality meal on the table that we could all feel good about. So I need to show you what they're doing. They have this new Perdue Farms to Home service. You can go online starting today, order the foods that you want, foods that you love, maybe try out some foods before that you haven't tried before, and you can have them all delivered to your house. Right now there's a promotion going on, and you can find out more details about it on jerseyfamilyfun.com that will let you know how you can qualify for free shipping, the discounts, and so forth. But let me not waste any more time. Let me show you what they sent us and what you can expect if you purchase the family medium bundle. So when you order your Perdue Farms delivery, this is what that box is going to look like. You're not going to be able to miss that. You're not going to mix it up with any other packages because you're going to see that farm that we've all come to know looking right at you there. And then it's going to tell you that you need to freeze everything immediately upon arrival or put it in the refrigerator. This is a special green foam that they are using to package their products. So this is called green cell foam packing material. It's almost like you're going to get your meals and a science experiment in the box, because if I were to take off this plastic wrapping, this foaming that's keeping my food cold inside is also biodegradable with cornstarch. So what's great about that is that when you've unpacked all your food and you put it away in the freezer or the fridge, you can actually put it in a bowl of water or put it in the sink with the kids, pour the water over, and your kids are going to be like amazed. It's like an science experiment, excuse me, as I'm tongue-tied, because it'll start to degrade, and your kids can see that, you know what, there are alternatives. That maybe you and I grew up with this styrofoam packing that's so annoying, but there are alternatives now that are better for our environment, that biodegrade, and you can teach them something. So it's a lesson in a box. But let me show you what else is inside here. This I know is going to be one of my kids' favorites, and maybe yours. They are the Perdue breaded dinosaur nuggets. You have a 27-ounce bag here. This is really great. You know, if you're looking at that convenience because you've purchased these items online because you want something easy, this is an easy go-to meal, either when the kids are off from school or on the weekends and you need something you want to just microwave up for lunch, or you need an easy dinner option because you're running around from sports to sports. Let's see. All right, I think I had two of these. Okay, so then I have two uncured from Niman Ranch. They are uncured bacon wrapped with rosemary pork loin chops. And when I looked at the fine print, like I said, I did have to do a little sneak peek in here. My delivery came right before I was going away for the weekend, so I wanted to make sure that I had everything packed and saved it cold. So it's kind of like a unboxing, but rebox unbox. But you know, it's still awesome. So this, what I love is that it gives me an option of having a great pork loin dinner with my kids, but without like some of the extra prep involved, and it's also gluten-free. So yay for seasoning, an easy meal. You know, I can read the directions and I can have pork loin dinner without the whole mess of a big pork loin. What else is in there? So there were 2 packages of that. We have a package of pork breast sausage. So my kids will love that. Kids and my husband. What else is in here? Bacon for the bacon lovers in the house. So, I was going to say something. All right, so for the bacon lovers in the house, we have Coleman Natural uncured bacon. So that is your typical standard size package of bacon. gonna come in really good on those Sunday mornings. And last but not least, and I'm gonna move this box carefully out of the way, we have from Perdue Harvestland chicken breast tenderloins. So I love that there are 4 to 5 individually wrapped pouches here, 15 to 20 tenderloins per box. So what makes this really nice is that you can take out what you need. You don't have to worry about defrosting a whole big package of chicken. You can take out what you need, cook it per meal, you know, so maybe it's one of those nights where one kid's going to have dinner at this time, but another kid has to have dinner later because of sports practice or hockey. I know with my own boys that because they're on different teams, they play at different times, so sometimes we have to stagger our dinner times. Not always ideal, because I do like to try to still maintain a normal family dinner time with the sports schedule, but sometimes you can't help that. So love, love, love this. Let me know what you think below. I think this is a great option. You know, it saves me the time of going through the grocery store, because again, with sports and busy lives, we all know how that is. You know, wherever we can make things more convenient for us, we definitely want to do that. So I love this option with Perdue Farms. I've already been digging around on the website. I can tell that there are more options than what I've just been able to show you here. But what I did show you here is what you could expect out of the family medium package or bundle. There are different pricing options available, different bundles available, depending upon what your family loves and how much food that you need and want to order at one time. But like I said, right now there is a promotion going on. If you spend so much, then you do get free shipping. They're also packaging with each package reusable shopping bag as well as a seed packet, so that you know, again, like you're giving back to the environment. You can feel great about your meal and your foods that you're ordering from Perdue Farms, because you've got so many ways to feel good about it. Not only just the way that they're taking care of their animals at Perdue Farms so that you can have a quality meal, but also in the way the packaging is packaged. Like I said, environmentally friendly boxes, an activity in that with the seeds. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Definitely share it with a friend who's looking for a way to like save some time on their meal planning every week. It's going to be a great option for us. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.